Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Carla. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video is a 2-day clean with me. It took me 2 days. This was actually Monday morning. I had to be at work this evening, and then the following day I worked from 8 to 5, and then the next day, which was Wednesday, I worked that evening as well. So I was able to do this Monday morning and Wednesday morning. So you're going to see a lot of cleaning, a lot of laundry. I had a lot of laundry to do. I put up a lot of laundry also. Lots of cleaning motivation for y'all. I'm actually doing a little bit of a deep clean in this video, not too much, but I did notice that some baseboards needed to be wiped and some windows and kind of like the base of the windows needed to be wiped. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I decided to start in my son's room. I went ahead and opened up his windows, and I noticed that the base of the windows were just super gross, so I went ahead and sprayed LA's Totally Awesome, and that is a Dollar Tree cleaning product, and it works amazing. I let it sit there for a few minutes, and then I wiped it down, and my cloth was just so gross, you guys. I could not believe that the window was like that. So I decided to go ahead and do that throughout the rooms that I was cleaning today, and it worked out really great. I'm trying to find a kind of a routine of how I want to deep clean, and I don't know if I want to do like each room at a time. So for example, if I'm cleaning my bathroom, do I deep clean the whole bathroom that day, work on the shower, the baseboards, the floors, the cabinet doors, things like that. I don't know if that's how I want to do it, or if I just want to maybe work on the baseboards of the whole entire house, all the baseboards around the house, or maybe all the windows in the entire house. So I'm kind of playing with that. I don't know how I want to do that yet, but for the sake of this video, I went ahead and just kind of deep cleaned just a little bit, just little areas in each room that I was cleaning today.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we could.
I don't know if it is just me, but our kids have these electric toothbrushes, and they get so disgusting, you guys. And I don't know if they're just not cleaning them after they brush, and the toothpaste kind of gets all over the toothbrush, but this was really nasty, and I am so glad that I cleaned this. And this is what I mean about deep cleaning, even things like this. I went ahead and wiped down all the toothbrushes and took off all that toothpaste, but it's just, if you don't do those on a regular basis, if the kids don't clean their toothbrushes after they're done, it just looks just really nasty. So that is something that I will be talking to them about. I haven't talked to them about it, but I will be talking to them about it, making sure that they clean their toothbrush so that way the toothpaste does not get stuck all over the toothbrush and makes it look super gross like it was just then. Now in this bathroom, I did wipe down the windows, but you guys, this bathroom all on the top, like around the crown molding, it is just super dirty. But we are in the process of changing out this bathroom. I'm going to paint the trim, paint the doors. So I went ahead and just wiped down the windows, but I will be possibly filming a video on just like a makeover in this bathroom, and you will see me up on the crown molding because it is just super nasty. My husband actually noticed it when he changed out the light bulb. By the way, we did finally change out the light bulb in the toilet and shower area, and it is now a daylight light bulb because I was testing it out. So where the sink is in the kids' bathroom is a daylight bulb, and then where the shower and the toilet was, it was a soft, I think it's soft white, that yellow color, and I didn't like it, so we just went ahead and changed it to daylight. So I'm super excited about that. But that bathroom will definitely be getting a makeover, and that is one bathroom that definitely needs a deep clean. Y'all, in this video, you will see me put up a lot of laundry and start loads of laundry. There was so much laundry to do. I don't even know where it came from. I never let it pile up because I'm literally doing a load every single day just because I wear scrubs to work, and I like wearing a specific pair of scrubs that I have, so I kind of wash them every night. But I do laundry almost every single day, but I don't know how this laundry got piled up. But in this video, you will see lots and lots of laundry.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would have grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand.
Guys, I also wanted to mention that we finally got rid of those gross wires that you see coming down from the TV. My husband finally put them behind the wall, and I just love it. So you will see that in my next cleaning video. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I had a filing cabinet over there by the corner of the desk, and we got rid of that as well. So I'm so happy. Little by little, our room is coming together. There's still a box that my husband has to go through, and you guys, I don't know what it is with husbands. I just cannot get him to go through this box, but I love him, so I just let it slide every single time.
When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can
Alright guys, and as you can see, I am changed. I'm wearing my scrubs, so I had an hour before I had to leave. So I decided to go ahead and change and be ready to walk out the door, and I decided I wanted to finish the bathroom. I didn't have a lot to do in the bathroom, so I went ahead and just wiped down the counters. I wiped down the mirrors and the shower door, vacuumed up, and that was all I did. And then I went ahead and finished everything else the following day. Well, actually not the following day, but 2 days later.
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
I think I've mentioned this before, but when I do our kids' laundry, I do not put it up. I will wash it, I will dry it, and I will bring it into their bedrooms, and I will lay it all on the bed. That way when they come home from school or if they come back from their mom, they can just go ahead and put up their clothes, because I will not be putting up clothes. I have told them I am not a maid, and they have to learn responsibility as well.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wild.
All I'm doing here is taking down all the Valentine's Day decor and also putting up that airplane that my husband still has not found a place for, but I went ahead and just moved it out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and decorate with what I have on hand. And then I also went to TJ Maxx and Home Goods a few weeks ago, and I did buy some greenery and some cute little decor items, but I'm still on the lookout for something to put over the mirror. Like, I want a really nice wreath, a green one, and I've seen plenty, but I don't think that they're big enough for my space, so I'm still on the hunt for that. And I am still wanting to decorate our living area. I don't have that much, so I will be shopping the next week or two, hopefully maybe next weekend. I'm not sure, depending on how my week goes. I'm not sure when I'll be able to get that, but I did decorate with what I had on hand. Alright guys, that little brown table is on my to-do list. I have to paint that to match my decor, but that is our charging station. That is where all the kids charge their iPads, their cell phones. They are not allowed to have any electronics in their bedrooms. That is a rule in our home. Our kids do not have TVs in their bedrooms. We have a playroom downstairs. It has their TVs, it has their gaming systems, all their toys, their games, PC computer games. That is a common area that we decided was best for our family. I know it doesn't work in everybody's family, and that's totally okay, but since we were blending our family, we decided it was better to have them kind of in a common area instead of isolating them. And it does work. At first, it was obviously something to get used to, especially for my son. He obviously was the only child. He had a TV in his bedroom, his PlayStation in his bedroom, but he is used to this now, and that is just a common thing in our home. They know they're not allowed in their bedrooms on an iPad, on a phone, or anything like that. And it's good for us too. At least we know that they're not in their bedrooms isolated from everyone else, and that is kind of the goal. And especially for my husband, he is not big on electronics. Yes, they have their phones and their iPads and their games, but we limit that a lot. We like them to go outside and play. We sometimes limit it to about an hour. It kind of just depends on what we're doing as well. But we also always try to have game nights and things like that. But I just kind of wanted to mention that because I don't think I have, and I've noticed and other YouTubers, I noticed that all their kids have TVs, or some kids have TVs in their bedrooms, and I'm like, I don't think I've ever mentioned why our kids don't have any televisions in their room, but that is the reason why. We just kind of wanted them all kind of together, even though they fight. Our kids fight with each other like crazy, but we'd rather them fight together in one common room instead of just going off into their bedrooms and watching TV or on their iPads or on their phones.
Come and swan to the local paraiso, under the lazy evening sun. Paraiso, come and swan, come and swan. on to the local paraíso under the lazy evening sun. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
So I got this eucalyptus plant or leaves, however you want to call this. I got it at Walmart, and I, for the life of me, cannot find anymore. I have no idea where else to look. I haven't gone to Hobby Lobby, so that's obviously an option, but I'm just so surprised that Walmart doesn't have them, and I only looked at the Walmart that I have close to me. I haven't looked at any other Walmart, but every single time I go for the last 2 months, every time I always go down the aisle, but I can't seem to find any. It's like they don't sell it anymore. I don't know what's going on, but I just love the way it looks. I think it looks super green and just super cute on a table, especially for the springtime. I just love it, you guys.
My heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time,
You guys, if you're looking for ways to store your comforter, I think this way is super amazing and it works. You just roll up your comforter, tie it up in a nice pretty ribbon, and just put it up in a linen closet or whatever closet or wherever you store it in. It just takes up less space this way.
God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you lots of motivation, lots of cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, any type of motivation. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I would love you to join my family and join my YouTube journey. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next one.
Right off the bat, I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence.